What's up, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascend. I have Quant, QNT, up on the screen, the one-day price chart. Receipts, last time we checked in over here, June 5th, looked like we were going to set a new high. This doesn't really tell us anything in the title, but we were talking about breakout or breakdown. I did say I believe this was going to break down due to the rest of the market. Sure enough, that's what we have. So let's get rid of that. Just wanted to always make sure I put that out there for you guys. What it looks like we had on the breakdown was just your basic ABC. And so what I want to do is make sure that the C wave is at minimum the length of the A wave so that that ABC parameter is met. And I do believe we're not going to have a problem there. 19% there, 23% there. So ABC complete. Sure enough, we're bouncing, guys. QNT, this thing's held up strong, man. Up 30% off the floor, but like a lot of these other assets went way deeper on their second wave. So this second wave is done right here. A lot of them are all the way down here. Some of them have already almost even double bottom. So I really like the strength that we're seeing here for Quant. It's also right now just kind of battling up there at the 236. You can see it closed just barely above it, brought back down. So could see a little bit of a battle there. We're also just, it's a small subwave here, a little 1, 2, 3, maybe working on a 4. 5, get us back above there, chill out, flag, boom, go, and really get ripping here on this third wave. Don't worry about where those are at. I'm just showing that we're headed in that direction and that this macro 1 and 2 look done, guys. So again, really happy with the strength this thing's showing, and we still haven't even really popped out of our danger level yet. Like, we've been below the 60 since back here. Okay, so at the low, you can see we broke, or below the 40, excuse me, back here. So that put us into strictly bearish territory right there. And you can see, too, that at that point in time, here, let me mark it. Right there. And you can see at that point in time, too, our MACD, the negative momentum was increasing the whole time there until we hit that bottom right there. It was completely zeroed out. And then you see the MACD starts decreasing, right? And the RSI starts moving up. So that whole time from that candle there to the very bottom right there before that thing turned, you were looking at a 28% decline. So not fun, but again, this happened way quicker than a lot of the market, guys. It's held up pretty well. Let's go back, even just looking at, I get rid of this range and we see what's going on this broader range, the range back to December. Still did fine, made it up here to the 618. A lot of them stayed down here at the 236. The other thing too that I'm looking at is it looks like that last wick right here just barely missed the 236 on this broader range. So this range goes all the way back to December, right? So these fibs are going to hold a little bit truer because it's over a longer time period. So came down here, almost whacked it. This is really clean, guys. Really clean chart here for Quant. So this third wave should get us off. We should be exploding, and we're this. I'm done. We're done talking about the drops, at least for a little bit. We got some fun ahead of us, and Quant's right there with the rest of the market. So this MACD too, bullish cross right there, almost at the 0 line. Looks great. Let's get this back up here above the 60, holding bullish territory, kind of like we did back here. Popped above the 60. From there, we weren't below the 60 again until right here, but we came down and we were still neutral bullish. We held the 40 then, right? So this whole time, bullish, neutral bullish in the purple, neutral bullish, bullish again, neutral bullish, and then finally we broke down. So you rode that thing from the time we broke right here up until the time that it came back down right there. I mean, you're looking at 77%, right? So let's get back above 0. Right now we're still, bearishly neutral. Let's get above the 0. Let's waddle. Let's get this thing going, pop above the 0. Let's see some big green bars come in. Not a lot of volume right now down here. These are the volume bars. So let's see that get going, and then this thing should rip. So Quant's right there, right on the edge, guys, along with the rest of the market. Just be patient. It's going to be here. before you know it, and I know what you're saying, we've been patient, yada, yada, yada. I have been buying. I have dollar cost average. I know. But give it just a little bit longer. If you guys could do me a favor, if you could follow, like, repost. I've been doing TA a long time. I just want to help as many of you guys as I can. I released an ebook a couple weeks ago on how to build the perfect crypto portfolio. You can go check that out on my X profile or in the description of this YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome Sunday evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.